Controversy isn't always about who's right or wrong. Sometimes it's about understanding different perspectives. Today's word is controversy. It means controversy म्हणजे वादग्रस्त विषय, मतभेद निर्माण करणारी घटना किंवा चर्चा. Now let's see the explanation. A controversy is a public disagreement or argument about a topic, decision or event. People often have different opinions which leads to debates and discussion. It means एखाद्या विषयावर, निर्णयावर किंवा घटनेवर लोकांमध्ये सार्वजनिक मतभेद निर्माण होतात त्याला कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी म्हणतात. लोकांची मते वेगवेगळी असल्यामुळे चर्चा, वादविवाद आणि मतभेद निर्माण होतात. Now let's see some different examples. First is the new policy created a lot of controversy. It means नवीन धोरणामुळे खूप वाद निर्माण झाला. Second is the actor become involved in controversy. It means तो अभिनेता एका वादात अडकला. Third is the issue spark a nationwide controversy. It means त्या मुद्द्यामुळे देशभरात वाद निर्माण झाला. Fourth is the controversial decision divided public opinion. It means त्या वादग्रस्त निर्णयामुळे लोकांची मते विभागली गेली. Keep practicing, keep improving. Fall for more. Thank you.